Have you ever wondered how Velcro is made? This ubiquitous material has been silently serving us in our daily lives, from our shoes to our bags, and even in our spacecrafts. It was born from the brilliant mind of Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral, who found inspiration from an unexpected source, nature itself, more specifically, burdock burrs. It's a tale as gripping as Velcro itself. So, buckle up, because today, you'll unravel the mystery behind the making of Velcro. The birth of Velcro, like many great inventions, came from a simple observation in nature. Picture this. Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral, out on a leisurely stroll with his dog, noticed something peculiar. His canine companion's fur, as well as his own clothes, were speckled with burdock burrs. Now, most of us would simply brush these off and continue on our way. But not George. His innate curiosity sparked an investigation. Under the microscope, he discovered a marvel of nature's design. The burrs had tiny hooks that caught onto anything loop-shaped, essentially clinging onto fur or fabric. It was a light bulb moment for George. What if this hook and loop structure could be replicated artificially? This could revolutionize fastening systems, offering a simple, reusable, and reliable solution. And so the wheels were set in motion. Georges de Mestral embarked on a journey to recreate this natural phenomenon synthetically, and that's how the idea of Velcro was born, from a simple walk in nature. Now let's dive into the fascinating process of making Velcro. The creation of Velcro, that marvelously sticky stuff, is a process that involves precision, innovation, and a bit of heat. First things first, the core materials. Velcro is primarily made from nylon and polyester, two synthetic materials that are both durable and flexible. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first step in the process is the weaving. Nylon threads are woven into a sheet using a special loom. This sheet is designed with tiny loops that are evenly spread across the surface. Think of it as a tiny field of flexible nylon grass. Next up, we have the transformation of our grass field into a hook field. The woven nylon sheet is passed through a machine that applies heat to it. This heat causes the loops to shrink and deform, creating tiny hooks. This is a delicate process, as too much heat can melt the nylon, while too little won't create the hooks required for the Velcro to function. Once the hooks are formed, it's time for the cutting. The sheet is sliced into strips of varying widths, depending on the intended use of the Velcro. From tiny strips for clothing and accessories to larger ones for industrial use, the versatility of Velcro is truly impressive. But we're not done just yet. Quality control is a crucial part of the process. Each batch of Velcro is rigorously tested for durability and adhesive strength. This ensures that the Velcro you use to fasten your shoes or hang your picture frames is up to par. And that's not all. The magic of Velcro extends beyond its creation. Once it's made, Velcro can be dyed in a rainbow of colors, adding a dash of fun to this utilitarian wonder. And that, in a nutshell, is the process of making Velcro. From loops to hooks, from sheets to strips, the creation of Velcro is a process that perfectly blends science, art, and practicality. From shoes to astronaut suits, Velcro has found its way into many aspects of our lives. This brilliant invention has been widely adopted across several industries, each finding unique ways to utilize its strengths. Picture a bustling fashion industry, where Velcro revolutionizes comfort and ease, making quick wardrobe changes a breeze. Imagine the aerospace industry, where the weightless environment of space necessitates the use of Velcro to secure objects. Visualize the military, where quick access to gear and noiseless operations are paramount. Velcro is their silent companion. But it doesn't stop there. Even the healthcare sector benefits from this inventive fastening system. Velcro aids in creating adjustable prosthetics, easy-to-wear hospital gowns, and secure bandages. This humble invention, inspired by a simple walk in nature, has significantly impacted our daily lives, improving functionality and convenience in ways we often take for granted. Who would have thought that a simple walk in nature would lead to an invention as useful as Velcro? So there you have it. The story and process behind the creation of Velcro. We've journeyed from its humble origins inspired by nature, through the intricate manufacturing process, to its wide-ranging impacts on our daily lives. Now, when you next use Velcro, you'll appreciate the marvel of its design a little more. Share this video with friends who might also enjoy exploring the secrets of everyday objects. Don't forget to like, comment on what you want to learn next, and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious and keep learning. Keep